Unboxing the Shark. Use scissors to cut the zip ties and carefully remove the e-bike from the box. Remove the foam from the frame and take out the accessories. Check and count all the included accessories. 2. Installing the handlebar. Use the tool to loosen the screws on the handlebar stem buckle. Remove the screws and keep them safe for reinstallation. Place the handlebar onto the handlebar stem. Reinstall the handlebar stem buckle and tighten all screws evenly. Installing the front wheel. Remove all external packaging from the front wheel. Loosen the screws on both ends of the transport pad, then remove the transport pad. Remove the pad spacer from the caliper. Position the front wheel between the fork dropouts. Install the axle bolts on both sides and tighten securely with the tool. Installing the front fender. Loosen the screw on the fork crown bridge. Loosen the screws on both fork legs where the fender stays will be mounted. Remove the plastic covers from the fender's mounting tab. Place the fender above the front wheel and begin installation. Note: the mounting tab should be positioned on the front of the fork crown bridge, not the rear. Tighten the screws on both fender stays. Installing the turn signals and headlight. Locate the mounting brackets for the turn signals and headlight. Ensure the rubber gaskets are in place for secure fitting and protection of the fork. Mount the brackets to both sides of the fork. Insert the turn signals into the corresponding holes on the brackets and tighten the screws. Repeat for both sides. Use a wrench to secure them further if needed. Align the holes on both sides of the headlight with the mounting bracket holes. Insert and tighten the screws on both sides. Connecting the wires. Connect the wires according to color. Installing the pedals. Install the left pedal onto the left crank arm and tighten the screw using a wrench. Repeat for the right side. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise. Tighten the right pedal clockwise. Installing the seat. Align the seat mounting holes with the bike frame. Then tighten the screws. Other features. Place the NFC card on the display screen to turn the bike on. Place the NFC card on the display again to turn it off. Battery removal and installation. Insert the battery key into the lock slot, turn it, and pull the battery out. To install, align the battery with the base, insert it in, and gently shake the battery to confirm it is secured. Adjusting switch tightness. Use the tool to tighten or loosen the screws at the designated switch positions. Remove brake noises. Loosen the caliper mounting screws. Adjust the caliper so the brake disc is centered between the brake pads, then retighten the screw. Adjusting lever to grip distance. Use the tool to adjust the screw between the brake lever and grip to set your preferred distance. Front suspension. Adjust the firmness of the front suspension by rotating the red air chamber clockwise or counterclockwise. Red travel O-ring. Show how much suspension travel is being used. Good for tuning. Brake and tail light. Throttle and motor.